How to make email newsletters work for your startup. Email newsletters are powerful marketing tools for your startup. They allow you to communicate important news, updates, and special offers quickly and efficiently. Audiences can receive a bulk of information all at once rather than keeping up with many individual emails. For startups, email newsletters are crucial for brand recognition and business growth. As a new enterprise, getting your name out there and making potential customers aware of your offerings is essential. Newsletters help jumpstart this process. Email newsletters offer several benefits. They help build and maintain relationships with your audience, drive engagement, and support business growth. Plus, they are a cost-effective marketing strategy, making them ideal for startups with limited budgets. Newsletters provide a direct line of communication to customers, enabling you to share updates, promotions, and important information efficiently. Consistently appearing in subscribers' inboxes keeps your startup top of mind, increasing brand awareness and recall. Regular newsletters keep your audience engaged, fostering community and loyalty. Keeping customers informed through newsletters can improve retention rates. Regularly providing valuable content helps build trust and credibility with your audience. You can also use email newsletters for lead generation. This helps convert interest into tangible business growth. Email newsletters offer opportunities for personalization. Segment your audience and tailor content to different groups to increase relevance and engagement. To make email newsletters work for your startup, define your goals. Determine whether you want to increase website traffic, generate leads, or promote products. Clear goals help keep your message targeted and consistent, ensuring your newsletters are purposeful. Know your audience to improve and target your content. Understand who your subscribers are and what they are interested in. Be strategic with your content and copy. Create attention-grabbing subject lines and focus on delivering valuable content, such as tips, insights, or exclusive offers. Use clear calls to action to guide readers on what to do next, and incorporate high-quality visuals. Utilize multi-channel marketing by promoting your newsletters on social media. Ensure your emails are mobile-friendly, as many users will open them on their smartphones. Encourage subscribers to share your content with their networks to broaden your reach. Ensure compliance with email marketing laws and regulations. Follow guidelines such as GDPR or CAN spam to maintain trust and avoid legal issues. Email validation can help minimize bounce rates and maintain a healthy sending reputation. Email verification helps startups increase engagement, conversions, and inbox delivery. Searchbug's 27-point bulk email validation identifies invalid, disposable, and toxic emails. Validation identifies abuse addresses and spam traps, ensuring your emails reach real people. This prevents your emails from being marked as spam, improving deliverability. Simply upload your list, identify columns, review cost, process, and download results. Bad email accounts cost your startup time and resources. Fake, invalid, or mistyped email addresses can hinder your email marketing efforts. To maximize success and benefits, ensure your newsletters land in your audience's inboxes. Try email validation today. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.